Hey guys, welcome to Roost Vans. My name is Dennis and this is our Bernstein build. We have an awning on this van. We also have a kitchen passenger side cabinet that has a drawer style fridge. Drawer style fridge is pretty cool because what that does, along with our flip down table, gives us the opportunity to reach in and grab food out from the fridge while outside, and of course while you're cooking inside. Now our passenger cabinet also has two drawers that you can store all your cutlery and everything in, as well as things like your vent fan controller and other products that you want to store in there. We also have our bench seat. Now our bench seat, we installed an adjustable lagoon table on, put a bamboo countertop on it. Now that adjustable lagoon table is installed in this bench seat that has storage inside, as well as a deep storage pocket in the rear, shoe cubby in the front. And that gives you a great spot to work on a laptop, have dinner or a meal. Now, storage of this table is pretty slick. Lagoon did a great job. With our builds, then we offer a lot of storage capabilities as far as how do you store these tabletops and all these other components. We use a track system and then line it with felt, so you have a really clean and non-rattling storage solution. Now the overcap shelf is special because it's not black. I don't know how many times I've hit my head on a black overcap shelf. So making that out of a wood material that's robust and you can see, it goes a long way to reducing the amount of bumps you have on your head doing van life. Now our full kitchen cabinet on this side is outfitted with a sink as well as a glass top lid. That gives you the ability to, with this particular configuration, to use our flip-up kit on our mattress and bed system in order to get a lot more usable space on your countertops. In this case, we're gaining 24 inches of countertop space on a short 144 wheelbase Sprinter van by using our flip-up kit that goes over both of our kitchen cabinets. We also have an induction cooktop portable stove that is powered by our Yeti Goal Zero 3000X power system. Now this power system is a portable power system that gives you the ability to take it inside when you need, inside your home or out to the beach or elsewhere. But you can also power all of the DC loads as well as your household AC loads. It also gives you the ability to receive a solar charge and recharge your Goal Zero, as well as shore power recharging of your Goal Zero. But the best part about the whole thing is that the way we have our wiring system set up with our power panel that goes into our core builds, then you can start your engine on your car and it charges automatically and you don't have to worry about it. It's probably the best source of charging. We pulled all the user access points for all the lighting controls to this front panel here. This is a 3-panel queen-like bed where you can sleep front to back. This does not have flare spaces, but in our build, then we take advantage of as much of this window pocket as we can with insulation behind in order to get as much side-to-side sleeping as possible. We also have our open shelf kit as well as our closed door cabinet, all of which attach to our mounting system, as well as our lower cabinetry attaches to this structural mounting system that we install in the van. And in this case, our open shelf kit, then we installed a convection oven. Why not? We put plenty of space around, so we have a lot of breathing room around the oven so that you can ensure that you're going to be able to operate the oven safely. All right, now our fold-up table is, well, it's a fold-up table. So you take whatever's on it off, and then you fold it up and snap it into place. So on the bed, we have two flip-up kits on this bed system. We have one on the front that I've shown you, as well as this one on the back. Now what that does is give you a whole lot of access to storage behind the van. If you're standing in the van and you want to put in your bike, then you can really get to everything if it's starting to get full of stuff, which it inevitably will. Now on this bed system too, then we have attached our shower rod. We have a really highly water resistant, moisture resistant hard wax finish that we put on that's super easy to refinish if needed, but it's very resistant to ringing or moisture damage. This van is using a 20-gallon over the rear wheel water storage container. What we do is install a water inlet for inside, so you can refill with a garden hose from this port, and there's a filter in line. Now we have a water port. It's called a spray port here that connects to our inline hot water heater. And we also have a water control mechanism that gives you a percentage of how much fresh water that you still have. Now this inline hot water heater is awesome. So right now I have the pump turned on, I have everything hooked up as well as to my propane tank, and you effectively have, you can hear the ticking was firing up of the water heater, and now it's nice and steamy hot, and pretty soon you'll be able to see quite a bit of steam. The amount of heat that you get on this hot water heater is pretty significant. You also have access to your system down here, which we have an inline filter that's easily accessible, as well as a drain that you can flip, and you'll winterize your van very easily by just flipping that drain and giving it a while to fully drain out. This system then you can go ahead and pull off the back, and then you can store it either which way. You can tie that up with some one-way Velcro ties that we have. Now your inline hot water system is stored and stowed away, and you can take off. So right now we've been doing the video with the awning out, and this is a manual awning. A lot of times we do powered awnings. This Fiamma manual awning is pretty simple. Hook it into place, and then you have this handle that you can rotate and draw back into position. And then make sure that you don't have to force it, just a little nudge. And now it's fully closed and secured. And then your handle can be stowed in the van. Awning comes out about 8 feet and comes out and gets stowed away very quickly. Well, thanks for coming and visiting Roost Vans' latest van. That's stable going down.